Hey there, Brock Elementary kiddos and parents. It is Miss Griffith here with an update here at Brock Elementary. First of all, I want to say that we are so excited about Thursday to have our kids back. It's hard to believe that summer's over, but I want you to know that we are so excited to see all the kids walking through that door, and we just can't wait to see them. So I hope they're excited too. Just a little bit about what we have coming up. I think that, there's always a lot of stuff, and I want to clarify for anybody that needs to hear it and not just read it. So teacher letters, we're doing teacher letter pickups today. We'll also be doing them tomorrow. So August 13th, 8 o'clock to 3, come pick up your teacher letters if you haven't done so today. And then we will have Meet the Teacher tomorrow night. And so that from 5:30 to 7:30 throughout the entire district, it's come and go. Come meet your teacher, say hello. Your kids can, start to feel comfortable with who they're going to have next year. And it'll be a fun evening. It always is. We're going to have several community organizations here, and so that will be great. First day of school is August 15th, this Thursday. The elementary campus begins at 7:50 and ends at 3:20. But on the first day, parents can walk their kiddos to their classrooms and get them settled in with their teacher, and that you can start dropping them off in their classroom with their teachers at 7:30, and then make your way on out of the building. The second day of school, we're asking that you can walk them into wherever their area is. So kindergarten and pre-K will report to the cafeteria first thing on the second day, and then from then on forward will become their routine. And parents are welcome to walk their kids in there. First and second grader in the gym, again, parents can walk with them in there and get them settled. And that will be for the next 7 days, just so that you guys can be a part of helping them get their routine. And then after that, we ask that parents just kind of say goodbye to them before they drop off into the cafeteria, the gym, and we will have lots of adult support in there. We're just trying to work on getting our routines in place. So we're excited about that. As always, here's links here to the Brock Elementary website, and there's always going to be updates there, so make sure that you check that out. Lunch, I'll go back to lunchroom prices, but that is the price of lunchroom if you're going to eat there. Breakfast is $2.25 and lunch is $3. You can put money in your kid's account, and there's a way to do that digitally if you go to the Brock ISD website, or you can come in and bring money in. And then we will always make sure that they're taken care of in that way. So first day in event parking. So this is whenever we have something big going on campus. This is kind of a general rule for you to understand what's going on. So let's see here. So this is my handy dandy little map. Many of you guys will notice when you come that we have a new parking area that we're so excited about. That's going to give a lot of you more of an option instead of having to park across the road. But for the first day, we are not going to do our normal pick up and drop off, our normal drop off routine. So instead of this being two-way traffic, which it normally will be, on the first day of school, it's going to be one-way traffic, so that parents can park all the way along the left side of the road, and that they are able to, and then you'll be able to go up here and exit. Let's see, you'll be able to either exit right here, which is the right turn only exit, or you'll come in here and go around, and then you'll be able to exit right here onto Eagle Spirit, which is the road that goes to the high school. So looking at this map, again, this is 1189, this is the front of the school, and you can kind of see the traffic patterns here. You will enter right here, and you can park along. If there's no parking spots in the parking lot here, or the parking lot right here, you're welcome to park across Eagle Spirit or down Eagle Spirit, but we really want to try to keep those as the last options. But parents will be dropping off, like we said, opening it at 7:30 to allow parents to get their kids down to their classroom, and then head on out so that we can continue to roll and let parents get in and see their kids off. For the next day. So the second day of school should be a normal drop-off pattern. For those of you that want to begin drop-off, we'll have all of our staff. We'll have staff out there to help kids get out of their car and get them where they need to be. All hands on deck, making sure kiddos are where they need to be. So that'll be good. But on a normal day, you will enter here on Eagle Spirit, go all the way around the school. Let's see here. And then go around the loop in front of the school, and we ask that you pull all the way up and to right here, and we will begin the drop-off process. And then you will, after you've let your kids out, then drive back the way that you came in to exit. You can also exit on this little exit here if you're going to turn right. And so hopefully this map helps a little bit. And for those of you that are new parents or kindergarten parents or pre-K, and this is your first time, stick with us. We all have to be patient because the first couple of days and first week or so, it is going to be probably pretty heavy traffic and people are figuring it out, but hopefully if we just all work together and we're patient with each other, it will all be okay. But plan on the first couple days it being a little bit longer of a process, and I promise you we will do everything in our power to work everything out and make any adjustments that we need to make it a smoother experience for you and all the kids. And so just so you know, expect after the first day, we'll be making notes about anything that we need to change that will, again, make it a better experience for everybody, and we'll get those changes out if any of them need to happen. So those are your maps. Just some needs to know, and teachers will talk about some of this stuff at Meet the Teacher tomorrow, but one of the things that we ask is that for the first 2 weeks that parents hold off on coming to eat with their kiddos for the first 2 weeks, just because if you have some sort of special circumstance like a birthday or something like that, then just come and visit with us and we'll figure that out. But it really is hard on the kids as they're adjusting back into this routine when parents come and then they leave, and so then it reminds them maybe sometimes that their moms aren't here. And so we just ask if you give us 2 weeks to really build relationships with your kids and to establish some routines here on campus, we would definitely appreciate that. Again, on the first day, we would love everyone to be able to walk their kids in, come into their classrooms and get them settled in. And then after that, you guys can walk to the gym and the cafeteria for that next week. And then after that, we're asking that you kind of just say goodbye to them at the doors. And again, we will have adults everywhere, making sure kids get into that routine. But it really does, I promise you, it smooths out and kids get acclimated and they're okay. Another just little random tidbit, our first PTC meeting will be on August 26th at 6:30. I'm really excited about some things that they have planned this year because they really want to give parents an opportunity who maybe haven't in the past to be a part of PTC in a way that maybe they're going to be doing multiple meetings that cover the same stuff at different times of the day that really will support more parents being able to be involved. So those are just a couple things, and I know this is a lot, 8-minute video. I'm sorry if you've had to watch and listen to me this long, but I just need you to know that we are so excited. We are working hard to get everything ready for the kiddos. We have so many exciting things planned for them this year, and I just can't wait to share, to have the opportunity to be with your kids. So again, I hope you have a great evening. We look forward to seeing you guys at Meet the Teacher tomorrow night. If you have questions, come grab me. I'm Miss Griffith. And if I haven't met you yet, I can't wait to meet you and your precious kids. Have a great one. Go Eagles.